Assalamualaikum and a very good day to you all. In this video, I would like to share with you the rules of surd. Okay, so the first rule is that a surd can be split as two separate surds. Okay, with two different number. Okay, especially when the number can be factorized. For example, 24 is 4 multiplied by 6. Now, we already split them with a multiply symbol in between. So what we can do, we can separate the square root symbol for each one of them. Like this. And then what we can do, we can solve the ones that we can. For example, square root of 4 equals 2. While square root of 6 cannot lah. If you use calculator, you will get decimal. So we just write as square root 6. Okay, so that is the first surd law. Okay, next. Okay, just now we have a multiplication, right? So how about division? Same process. We can split the surd symbol on numerator 23 or denominator 5. So this is the can we divide 23? Can lah. 23 is prime, right? Nothing happen lah. Like this lah. So like this. So I just want to share with you how we can separate the surd symbol. That's all. Okay, next. Okay, now what is this? This is the fifth root. The fifth root of 2 power of 5. Okay, so as you can see here, this fifth root has small number 5 written in front of it. Unlike the rest of the surd, there's no number. So what does it mean? If it's not written, it means it's a square root. Actually, the 2 is there, but it's not written because it's understood. Okay, it's understood already. If you don't want to write, that's fine. But it only means it is a square root, not any other root. If you are referring to any other root than square root, then you have to write the number. Okay, so you have to take note lah. So how about this one? Okay, so this one is actually equals to 2. Okay, how? Because, okay, let's copy 2 power of 5 inside, and then this outside part, we change it into power 1 over 5. Now, by the previous rules of indices, okay, when we have power inside and outside bracket, we can multiply them. So 2 power 5 multiply 1 over 5, we have 2 power 1. I think my pen is quite big. Let me smaller. Okay. Okay, next. Okay, what is this? Okay, so we have 2 surds inside each other. Okay, so the outside one actually a square root, and the inside one is cube root. Okay, so what we can do with this? Okay, it equals to 6 root of 64. How? Let me show you. Okay, so put 64 inside and then change the cube root as power 1 over 3. And the outside surd, we change it into 1 over 2. Change it into power 1 over 2. Now, as you can see here, we have power inside and outside a bracket. So what we can do, we can multiply the power. Okay, so it's 64 power 1 over 6. And we know 64 can be broken into can be changed into 2 power of 6. Okay, and then we have another power 1 over 6. Therefore, it equals 2 power 1. Okay, solved already. Okay, next. Okay, so what happened? We have 4 square root of 2 plus another square root of 2. Okay, as you can see here, we have the same surd at the back, right? So we can somehow factorize them and put them outside like this. And then we have to write the remaining numbers that we haven't, right? Inside a bracket like this. Okay, so we can combine them. 4 plus 7. Now, what is 4 plus 7? It's 11. 11 of what? 11 square root of 2. So this is the next rule of surd. Okay, next. Just now we have plus. What happen if we have to minus? More or less the same principle. We have to look for the same surd at the back. So as we can see here, the first term has square root of 3. The second term also has a square root of 3. So what we can do, we can factorize them and put them at the back here. And then we write the 6 minus 3 inside a bracket like this. Therefore, we get 3 square root of 3. So I think that's all for rule of surd. Thank you for your time and attention. Assalamualaikum. Have a good day.